What year 2024 will be like for you? This is Monkey 2024 forecast. Money. The year 2024 may present some professional difficulties for the cunning monkeys. However, there is no need to worry because the year of the dragon presents prospects for growth and progress with diligence and persistence. Build solid relationships with coworkers and superiors by making use of your intelligence and charisma, since this will help you progress professionally. Monkeys must maintain their alertness and flexibility in this hectic and competitive environment. Positivity and interesting opportunities might result from having an open mind and looking for new opportunities. In order to distinguish themselves from their peers and make significant contributions to their work, monkeys must concentrate on their strengths and special talents. Monkeys may overcome any obstacles by developing trust and fostering open communication within their workplace. In order to stay competitive in their sector, it's also essential for them to consistently improve their abilities and stay up to speed with industry trends and innovations. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. You guys are awesome. Kindly support this channel. Stay healthy, and God bless everyone. Cheers. Please watch the other videos on this channel and share it with your friends. Until next time, take care, guys. God loves you so much. Continue to be kind and spread happiness throughout the universe. Thank you, guys. You are amazing. You are strong. You are determined. Believe in yourself at all times. Please take note, wherever you are. Whatever you do, always remember Summer Winter Channel. Love, 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 love.